Welcome back to my channel Car Review Pedia, where we explore the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today we are diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes RV, a luxury recreational vehicle that redefines comfort, space, and smart technology on wheels. Mercedes has always been known for blending engineering excellence with premium design, and in this RV, they take that reputation to an entirely new level, creating a home-like experience built for long journeys and unforgettable adventures. The first impression of the 2025 Mercedes RV is its commanding yet elegant exterior. It carries the unmistakable Mercedes design language with smooth aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille featuring the iconic three-pointed star, and LED lighting that not only looks modern but also improves visibility during night driving. The body is designed to reduce wind resistance, making highway cruising quieter and more efficient. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, giving the RV a bright and open feel even before you step inside. These windows are also treated for heat and UV protection, ensuring comfort in all climates. As you step into the interior, the sense of space is immediately noticeable. Mercedes has optimized every inch of the RV to feel open, airy, and luxurious. The floor plan is thoughtfully designed, allowing easy movement from the cockpit to the living area without any cramped feeling. High-quality materials dominate the cabin, from soft touch panels and premium leather seating to wood and brushed aluminum accents that give the space a true luxury lounge vibe. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior and can be adjusted to suit your mood, whether you want a warm cozy glow in the evening or bright illumination during the day. The living area is one of the highlights of the 2025 Mercedes RV. It features a spacious seating arrangement that can comfortably accommodate family and friends. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support for long hours of relaxation or travel. Many models include a convertible sofa that transforms into an additional sleeping space, making the RV perfect for extended trips. A large flat-screen display is seamlessly integrated into the living area, providing entertainment options such as streaming, satellite TV, and connectivity with mobile devices. Moving toward the kitchen area, Mercedes has delivered a perfect balance of style and practicality. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, a large refrigerator, and ample storage cabinets. Countertops are made from durable, easy-to-clean materials while still maintaining a premium look. Clever storage solutions ensure that cookware, utensils, and groceries are neatly organized, even during long journeys. Whether you are preparing a quick snack or a full meal, this kitchen feels more like a luxury apartment than a typical RV. The sleeping area continues the theme of comfort and refinement. The master bed is generously sized and features a high-quality mattress designed for proper spinal support. Overhead storage compartments and side cabinets provide plenty of space for clothes and personal items. Soft lighting and sound insulation help create a peaceful sleeping environment, allowing you to rest comfortably even when parked in busy areas. Some configurations also offer additional bunk beds or a separate sleeping zone, making this RV ideal for families or group travel. The bathroom in the 2025 Mercedes RV is another area where attention to detail truly shines. Unlike traditional RV bathrooms that often feel cramped, this one offers a surprisingly spacious layout. It includes a modern shower with glass enclosure, a stylish sink with storage underneath, and a high-quality toilet system. Ventilation is excellent, and the use of premium materials gives the bathroom a clean and upscale feel. It is designed to provide a home-like experience no matter where your journey takes you. From a technology standpoint, the 2025 Mercedes RV is packed with advanced features. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen powered by Mercedes' latest interface. Navigation, voice control, smartphone integration, and real-time vehicle data are all easily accessible. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help make long-distance driving safer and less tiring. Parking sensors and surround view cameras are especially useful when maneuvering such a large vehicle. Performance and driving comfort are equally impressive. The 2025 Mercedes RV is powered by a refined and efficient engine that delivers smooth acceleration and strong torque, even when fully loaded. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a stable and comfortable ride across highways, mountain roads, and uneven surfaces. Sound insulation keeps road and engine noise to a minimum, ensuring a quiet and relaxing driving experience for both the driver and passengers. Energy efficiency and sustainability have also been considered in this RV. Solar panels are available on the roof to help power onboard systems and reduce reliance on external power sources. Advanced battery management ensures efficient energy usage, while climate control systems are designed to maintain comfort without excessive consumption. These features make the 2025 Mercedes RV more environmentally friendly and cost-effective over long-term use. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes RV stands as a symbol of luxury, innovation, and practicality in the recreational vehicle world. It offers generous space, premium features, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort, making it an excellent choice for travelers who want the freedom of the road without sacrificing the feeling of home. Whether you are planning weekend getaways or cross-country adventures, this RV is designed to elevate every journey.